Amazing Jazz is started with Icon break quickly restored rushing of Ariel that is Song of Songs under Basic Instinct breaking bed while Burbank is the early trailer by about 6 lengths of the leader, and going along for the first turn we have Song of Songs on its favorite position as the pace setter, enjoying a 3/4 of a length lead. Icon moving up now, Ariel that is Underwood. The next online now is Breaking Bad. Burbank comes next while Basic Instinct now racing in less back to the leader. We have Song of Songs followed closely by Underwood in second, and in third comes Icon. Next online is Breaking Bad, then followed by Burbank, while Basic Instinct is still racing in less than the fourth turn. We have Underwood now moving up Arias, and now says it's my turn to take the lead. The Song of Songs is down on the inside. The next online is Icon Breaking Bad, and they are now entering the home stretch. Underwood, the Song of Songs, Icon is on the outside, Breaking Bad in the middle portion. Last 100 meters, Underwood, Icon is on the outside, but it's still Underwood. Icon is on the outside, and finally it's Underwood, Icon, Breaking Bad, then comes Song of Songs, Burbank, and Basic Instinct.
Alright, at yan, sinagot lang katanungan nyo, Bayang Carrerista. Underwood, Crossing the Wire first, ridden by JB Guse. Ano partner, sinagot na yung tanong mo?
Oo, may mamalalot na tayo mamaya. Sigurado yan.
Tingin mo may mag-1 winner?
Meron.
Alright, panoorin natin.